am Cikgu Anuthra. Let's Play Chemistry is a game developed by myself, Cikgu Rita, an English teacher, my ex-student, Nur Fatiha Ayuni, currently studying in University Malaysia Sabah, and Afiq Daniel Arsin, who is a Form 5 student. Let's Play Chemistry is a project inspired by this current pandemic and students' preference towards gamification. We thought of using simple scratch gamification and develop a chemistry game that is simple, engaging, fun, yet educational. This series of games are extremely useful to gauge students' understanding on these important concepts and basic chemistry knowledge. Let's Play Chemistry come in a series of 4 games. The first game addresses students' ability to form compounds, charges, ions, and also construct a balanced equation. The second game addresses electrolysis in an electrolytic cell, where students identify and make very detailed observation of what happens at anode and cathode, how they can form half equations, as well as how they can eventually make a proper inference. The third game is electrolytic cell. Students will start to be tested on redox reaction. This will be a good revision and also a great way for students to go into redox from electrolytic cell. The fourth game addresses Voltaic cell. Identify how electricity is produced, how different electrodes are needed to produce electricity, and how they can identify redox from voltage and also Voltaic cell.
Let me introduce you to the software that we use. Scratch is a free programming language developed by MIT that we can use to create our own interactive games, stories, and animations. It can be used online and offline. Scratch uses the simplest pseudocode, which is drag and drop. Therefore, it is user-friendly for kids, students, and teachers.
Let us show you how we create part of our game. This is oxidation, right? So when I click it, it should go to the space provided and the score will increase by 1. So simply drag these blocks. Here we can also add comments so that you can remember what the code is for. And we try out our code if it works. The sprite can also be changed from English to Bahasa Malaysia. Simply click the sprite, click the costume tab, and edit the word. Now, the game can be used for non-DLP classes.
Hence, our project is undoubtedly cost-effective in teaching and learning STEM.
How it is useful for teaching and learning STEM? We do know that in a class of 30, 40, or even 50, students of different learning paths exist. So, these materials address diversity of learners and helps optimize teaching and learning of chemistry through gamification.
Besides, Let's Play Chemistry is a self-sufficient learning tool which are also fun and engaging. The difficult and hard to see chemistry concept made easy through play. The games were developed to scaffold students into content mastery.
It's fun,
Engaging,
And challenging.
Let's Play Chemistry.